On a Friday when me go through the world, still up on a boat. And I know if you want the bread that you know up me your mouth. Get a youth, we have things, but no wally pa close. Show the key, flip up me your car, up me your horse, yeah. Enough youth, me know for your them lifestyle. Every day them get up a fast. Big up every youth, for your wallet till the game, flag and better come.
Guys, welcome to the channel today, So guess what we're going today? We're going to roast some breadfruit and some saltfish. You get me, I say? Remember to like and share and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, so today we have two breadfruit people. We have one of them ripe. Like this one ripe, like very ripe. So me wonder if we should have even go climb a tree and pick one, or we should just work with the ripe one and this one. Yeah. So guess what going now? We're gonna pick two. We're gonna pick one mango. I'll pick one mango first. Two one here. Pick one mango first. Boy. Jesus. Can't catch. You drop. You drop. Me know I'm not going to wash it still, but oh my days. I'm not going to wash it. Just wipe it off. Alright. Here, me I say, guys, we're going to climb a tree right now. I pick two breadfruit. I can't really climb still, but we don't know a ball game go. Let's see if I can pick one. One alone, one and one. Me I pick. Jesus. God go with me. Guys, I'm tired. One that. One. Two that, guys. Two that. Three that. What up, guys? One left. Woo. Woo. One left. Look here. Look here. Woo. That is two. Look here. This is 3. Look on them. 3. Oh my days. Don't get 5 of them. We go pause for now. Alright guys, so you wanna go on now. We're gonna light up the fire now. We're gonna use some coal, right? We're gonna use some coal. I want stone. Oh god, this. Alright, so we're gonna light up the fire here now. Rainfall is here, so we don't have no stick to kind of light up nothing. So we're gonna use some coal. Don't know. Coal, real Jamaican coal, you see me? No, some people don't like when we use the term the Jamaican. Like I say, everything we say Jamaican this and that, but Jamaican. Jamaican coal. Yeah. Blaze up the fire here now. Let's see what I go on I can. Blaze up the fire. Gonna see what is going in. This mouse can do it. This mouse can do it. Mouse can do it. Not too bad for the light in the fire still, you know. We'll try my luck still. Guys, the fire finally catch, you know. The fire finally catch. Alright, so we go. Normally I see when people are roast breadfruit, all people back in the days, I see them mark it and then push the knife through the heart. Them say make the breadfruit soak. So push the bread knife through the heart right now. And drop one breadfruit on the fire already. Right, second one now. Cut it again. Make one X. See it? Make a little X in there. And push it down. Right, one more pan that on the fire. I want to have one more. I want to go bust on the side because I drop. Split it again. You get me? Can look at all. Let's just make it soak. Right guys. So we're going to make them go and roast. And we go and do something else. You get me? Alright. Alright guys, so you have one. Alright guys, so right now we have the saltfish. We are going to wash the saltfish. See it? I think I'll use our light. I'll leave one piece. I'm going to wash them 2 big pieces here. Nice. Wash it upon this piece. Nice. Nice. 2 big pieces of saltfish. We wash off the salt off of them and boil them. Yeah man, see there? Nice. Put them in a pot and go and boil. Boil them some more salt. But just do all of it and done. Just beat all of it and done, you know. I do everything I'm done, people. And go on boil. Say breadfruit I'm gonna roast, guys. Breadfruit I'm gonna roast. And the saltfish I'm gonna boil. Right. So now we have like with seasoning, with scallion and them things. So we have cut up with scallions and those things. Make sure to wash them. Get me? We have tomatoes, sweet pepper, onions, scallion, garlic. That's all we have right now. Wash the tomatoes and everything, yeah? Make sure you wash the seasoning. Make sure washing the seasoning. Clean them up. Nice. Cut off a little part off of them. Alright guys, so now we are cut up with season them. Make sure to wash the tomatoes, wash the things the way you use. You understand? Yeah man, wash up the thing, the knife are really sharp, you know. And take time because I don't want to cut off your finger. Nice. So the breadfruit are going to roast. We are boiling saltfish. And now we are cut up the season. That's what it is. This is tomato, same way. Nice. Cut up the sweet pepper now. Sweet pepper. Onion now, people. Everything wash. You have the scallion still nice sink over there. You cut the onions in a ring. Cut the onions, I like when the onion is cut in a ring, right? Cut the onions in a ring. Use 1.5 onion, may use 1.5 onion. Onion, cut them in a ring. Nice, very sharp, you know. You know, sometimes your knife very sharp in the kitchen, it's better, you know. When your knife dull, it quick up to cut you. Most people not even know that when your knife is dull, it quick up to cut you. Scallion now. Make sure to wash the things them properly. Remember, market to not buy them from, so that make sure they wash. Make sure the things them wash properly. And they come from market and you don't know what touch them. So make sure you wash all the vegetables. You understand? Wash all the vegetables. Good. Garlic. We don't have cheese. We don't have pepper. I don't even have pepper, guys. Shit. I forgot that, man. No. I don't even have pepper, guys. And none of them are tree outside. They don't have no tree outside. Garlic. I have a garlic. So I'll season that, guys. Never look at the fridge and up pepper in there. Very nice. Alright, people, so you know, the breadfruit them are come on now. Fuck. Man. Them are come on now. See it? Alright. We have to turn them because we don't want them burn up. So we have to turn them. Alright, okay, nice. See them are come on now. Alright, guys, so you see them are come on now. Almost ready, but why I burn them up? We can't really roast breadfruit like old people, you know. You understand? Sorry. Now for we young people can't roast breadfruit, but them are come on people. See them there? Nice. Nice. Okay. Mango tree. Can see the 2 mangoes. Not like in our country. See that? Mangoes. Nice mangoes. Mangoes. Yeah. You there? Country life, nice. Over there you have some corn, my corns and all them things, they see it? Nice. So you are going, we'll give saltfish a second boil. We boil it now first set. So we're going to boil it again to take out the excess salt. Yeah. But I watch that. Yeah, we're going to boil it again. Right, so right now, we'll clean up the saltfish. We'll take out the bones and take off the little scale them off it and clean it up. And I have to clean up on the saltfish and take out the gills then. Last time my woman cooked fish, she cooked with the gill. So you have to take out the gill. Take out your gill out of the saltfish and all them little something there. You get me? Yeah, I'm cooking saltfish with the gill. And the gut. Yeah, take off the gill. They say last time I used to talk to this girl and she cook. And me I eat the fish, she 2 big old gill there in my fish, see me fish mad to swim. So now if you clean the saltfish properly, make sure most of the salt come out. Oh, nice. I'm going to break up my saltfish and big. I don't want them to break up small. Oh my days, I just meows, me amo. Muy bien. Alright, see him? Take off his scales. Yeah. Take off his little fin here. We'll clean up the saltfish and take it out. Take out the bones. We don't want the bones in the IT either. This is a lot of saltfish though, you know. Almost 2 pounds of saltfish this, you know. A lot of saltfish. Man, see it? A lot of saltfish. And I eat 2 breadfruit for myself. 2 breadfruit I eat to myself, guys, so I need a lot of saltfish in it. Around, you know. We don't eat this, we just go all asleep. Man, I don't know if that's much saltfish really. Okay guys, saltfish for days and night and month and year. Smell the oil. The oil hot now guys. And we have the oil on the stove. Take out the bone them because through my craving, I don't want to eat too fast and bone go stop on my throat. So make sure take out most of the bone them. And when I eat fast, you know, and bone go tap on your throat and kill you. Alright guys, look there. Half plate of saltfish. I just meals. Yeah, man, we be in. Alright guys, here we go on more. Switch up the ball game. Alright guys, so now we're going to fry up with onion and with sweet pepper, with scallion and with pepper and tomato right now. Whoa! I love you! Me amo, muy bien. Alright guys, see there, woo! You can smell the real Jamaican aroma and your Jamaican vegetables. The real Jamaican vegetables. No other vegetables like your Jamaican vegetables. The Jamaican vegetables. Alright. Alright. I just meals. Muy bien. Alright. See here guys? Look. Woo! Woo! See that? You see that? But there. Beautiful. 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 Saltfish. Should put some more tomato in it, you know. But what I'm gonna do? Everybody cook different, you know. Alright. I'm throwing my saltfish then. Everything. Remember breadfruit we are eating also. We want a little bit of juice in it. As I said, everybody cook different. Create out every saltfish. Every saltfish should go in there. Everything, please. Guys, beautiful. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Nice. Now I want a little bit of Maggi season. Eat little flavor to it, you know. Don't put a lot in there because my saltfish already salt. So you know, put a lot in there. Nice. Beautiful. Nice. This is what's ready now. And I really like a black pepper thing in about. I took a little bit of black pepper in it. Same way. Now come out or that good now. No more. Guys, I don't want to smell this. Oh God. Oh God. Ooh. Nice. I guess I'm gonna put in there now. Different from you know, guys. Drop the cockles in it. A liquor. Wow. Little bit in there. Yeah, people will tell me, say, oh, them not put ketchup in there. You think we put ketchup in there? Eat little body. And we can't eat breadfruit without. Nice. That or that. I want to take on. I like guys. A bit. Breadfruit I'm supposed to ready now, you know, guys. Breadfruit I'm supposed to ready now. I get also I'm putting this now. Turn down this so this can turn off at any moment now. Alright, I'm showing you what I want. Whoa! I just meals. Guys, look here. Look there. Look here. Oh God. Look there. Man. Taste. I always, as a chef, you have to taste your food. Look a bit more. Help me night there. Put a little more spice. Put a little more onion powder at night. Little more spice. You know this one now people, me short. I just half a pepper alone me did have. This one next pepper at night. Alright. That now. I just meals guys. Guys. Perfect. Turn it off. Ready. Breadfruit ready. Hot you know so. Wow. I feel the breadfruit. You see people use their kitchen toy, but I can't use my one, like a black up. God. See that babe? Yellow heart breadfruit, you know. Me not really a breadfruit lover, but gee, the best steam. Woo! Wow! Minus meals. Right. Guys. Hiya. Woo! God. Clean up back same time now, cause so. Like you see steam. You see steam come out of it. Steam. Come out. You can't hold it. Put it on the plate and cook it. Oh God man. Well hot enough people. See that? See that guys? Nice. Wash black off of my hands now. I can wash your hands because some people look scratch on them body and them things you them a cook and scratch them arm and scratch this and scratch that. When you scratch on the bottom and when you scratch on both. And make sure when your fingernails are clean and you wash your hand properly. There are some people nasty. Gee. Guys, look here. Guys, look here. I just meals. Guys, alright. I'm not using the utensils. And you can wash them. Because you have some people very nasty. Very nasty. Guys, ooh. Hold on, let me see for some of them. Hold on. Hold on there guys, let me pause this there. Yeah guys. So I tell them well that so. Alright, see there? Jeez, don't have break up man. Alright, whoops. Gotcha. Woo! Hot. See there guys? Oh God. Hi. Wee. Guys, look here. Nothing like when a man good in the kitchen. When a man can do him little thing in the kitchen. Guys, when a man can do, no sir, me not only can greater things we can do yourself, do a little thing in the kitchen, guys. So I don't can greater. Well guys, you can do a little thing. Alright guys, upon this now. So I just 2, 4, 5 pieces. Alright. I come show you what I want because see here? Woo! Guys, I made that. I made this. See it here? Oh my days. Oh my days, guys. Nice. Me not only can grate top. Tell me how it look, guys. See it here? Nice. Breadfruit and saltfish. See, guys? Finished ingredient. See here? This is the finished product. Breadfruit with saltfish. See it here? Nice. Nice, see it? Nice. Alright guys, this is the finished product. Breadfruit and saltfish. Alright guys, now I'll taste some of it right now. Nice. Look at the view. Look at the view, guys. Nice. Love it. Alright guys, tune in next time. You can find the kitchen. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Peace out. 3323.